Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling.
I got a camera. This is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. It says here G7X Mark III Canon silver digital camera. Got a camera. I'm only realizing now that I did not mention that this is a second-hand camera, and I got it from Cash Crusaders, and it was actually a Canon G7X Mark I and not Mark III. They used a Mark III box, as you can see, or you will see at the back of the box it says Mark I. So guys, I just got my Discam order, and it is freaking 8:33 p.m. like 8:33 p.m. I don't know why they delivered this so late in the day, but yeah, I want to open it up and see if it does. Like Ngolo, it looks so huge than expected, but my toes. But I want to see if it does what it do. It's by the brand Canon. I think it's a bit bulky than expected, but I want to see how the heat goes up. I would really appreciate it if it is like very like if it gets very hot, but if it doesn't, that's fine. I'm gonna take it back. I won't hesitate on taking it back, and then try take a lot. Hey guys, so today is Monday. First of all, I'm supposed to be at work, but your girl is sick, so I'm not working today. Well, I woke up sick today and I decided to not go to work because I'm sick. So I woke up at around 2 minutes to 6 or something, and I stayed in bed up until now. It is 7:15. It looks so dark in this house because I switched off my lights because I wanted to switch on my ring light. So yeah, I'm about to clean my hair. my hair is faulty, you know. So I'm about to clean my hair, and I want to test this camera out today. I also have wigs and clothes on my bed, please don't judge. So I want to test my camera today, and yeah, that's what I want to do. So I think the cleaning part, I'm gonna record it with this camera, and then I don't know, I'll see if I will do an update on what's been happening with the camera and all of that. But the memory card that I have here is a bit small for videos and stuff. I think I have like a 16 gig if I'm not mistaken. Let me check. Like, I have a very small memory card here. I need to buy like a new one. Yeah, it's a 16 gig, so that's a very small. I need to up my game. And just give up from that cleaned. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll see you guys on the flip side, on the cleaning parts. So it's gonna be like a spend a day with me, clean with me, whatever. I think I'm gonna carry this out to a vlog. Tomorrow I'm going to work. Maybe I will take you guys to work with me. I'll see what I can do. If it's busy, I won't be able to do that. If it's not busy, then I will kind of sneak a few clips here and there, but I'll see what I can do. It's still very dark. Like, it's 16, like it's around 7. I just made supper, excuse me, and I don't know, I've been trying to use this camera. I have, let me check, I have a 16 gig memory card, right? But Nabagoko like 6 videos in, and it is really oko. And then what happens, also team camera heating up or something like that. I don't know. Oh. Right now I am having supper akuseko early, but I'm having supper. I know bazophinde ndilambe and ndizophinde nditye phaa xesheni, but and yes, like, I don't know what's going on with the camera. I've been deleting stuff from this memory card, but still, maybe it's the memory card.